Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is only for your good preparation for Neet. I will discuss biology MCQs with you at regular interval and definitely it will help you to crack the Neet exam. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing. Let's keep this community growing. And obviously also free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Which is the particular type of drug that is obtained from the plant whose one flowering branch is shown below. The options are hallucinogen, stimulant, depressant and painkiller. The answer will be option 1, hallucinogen, because Datura is a genus of 9 species of poisonous vespertine flowering plants belonging to the family Solanaceae. All Datura plants contain tropane alkaloids such as scopolamine, hyoscyamine and atropine, primarily in their seeds and flowers. Because of the presence of these substances, Datura has been used as a hallucinogen. Now next question. Which of the following is not one of the prime health risks associated with greater UV radiation through the atmosphere due to depletion of stratospheric ozone? The options are increased liver cancer, increased skin cancer, increased reduced immune system and damage to eyes. The answer will be option 1, increased liver cancer, because UV radiation released into the atmosphere due to depletion of stratospheric ozone causes the mutation that leads to the severe damage to eyes by disrupting of rod and cone cells and cause permanent blindness. It also causes skin cancer by causing mutation in the dermal cells. It reduces the immune system by causing tautomeric mutational changes in the structure of the immune protein. But liver cancer is not majorly caused by the mutation, rather it is caused due to the abnormal growth of hepatic cells due to factors like excessive alcohol consumption, exposure to drug, etc. Now the next question is, the active form of entamoeba histolytica feeds upon, the options are the blood only, erythrocytes, mucosa and submucosa of colon, mucosa and submucosa of colon only, food in intestine. The answer will be option 2, erythrocytes, mucosa and submucosa of colon, because the active form of entamoeba histolytica feed upon erythrocytes, mucosa and submucosa of the colon. This is the answer. Now the next question, which of the following fungi contains hallucinogens? Options are Morchella esculenta, Amanita muscaria, Neurospora and Ustilago. The answer will be option 2, Amanita muscaria, because hallucinogen is the psychoactive agent that causes hallucination. It can be found in some plants and mushrooms. Amanita muscaria or fly amanita is a mushroom and psychoactive Basidiomycetes fungus in the genus Amanita produces muscimol, which has hallucinogenic properties. At which stage of HIV infection does one usually show symptoms of AIDS? The options are within 15 days of sexual contact with an infected person. Option 2, when the infected retrovirus enters host cells. Option 3, when HIV damages large number of helper T lymphocytes, and when the viral DNA is produced by reverse transcriptase. The answer will be option 3, when HIV damage large number of helper T lymphocytes. Because after entering into the body of a person, HIV enters into macrophages where RNA genome of the virus replicate to produce viral DNA with the help of the enzyme reverse transcriptase, which gets incorporated into host cell's DNA and direct the cells to produce virus particles. Macrophages continue to produce viruses. Simultaneously, HIV enters into blood and they attack other lymphocytes, causing repeated decrease in T lymphocytes. Due to this, person starts suffering from infections that could have been otherwise overcome. So the correct option is here, the option 3, when HIV damage large number of helper T lymphocytes. Thank you. Stay tuned for our next video, and I would truly grateful if you enjoyed this one.